Please don't let it be Shireen again. I want to pass this time. I know I can do it. Ooh, please, 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 please. Please let me pass again. I hope I don't get Shireen. Please. Please don't let me get Shireen. I want to pass, please. I hope I don't get Shireen. I really hope I don't get Shireen. Please don't let me get Shireen. Shireen! Nice to see you again. Me don't know I say you. From me seeing you on the paper, me know say you. Nothing say because you change your hairstyle, me don't know say you. Right? From when me they feel, you couldn't just take your feel and go buy a scooter or something and call it a day. So why you come back for now? Eh? You come back to finish me off. I finish, you come to finish me. Eh? Like your brain damage and a heart attack where you only give me wasn't enough. Sure. Me not go through your sitting with you. Just when you're ready, take off. Hold on. Are your second test this or you did do more? No, it's my second. Oh. Go on when you're ready, man. Sure. And I better try kill me this time, you know. Hold on. Let me put on my seatbelt. Sorry. What a mistake I was making. When you're ready. You don't know why me pick up this for you. The tests are only 45 minutes, you know, not 45 hours. Yeah, it takes so long. Sorry. I better take off. Stay here, sir. Stay right here, sir. Turn off your engine, please. Right. This is your second test. I'm sorry, but me have to fail you again. But I didn't even drive yet. It don't matter if you didn't drive. I tell you if you take off, you're there wait for nothing. I know cars were coming, right? This is not plane. You don't have to wait for signal to take off. When you're free, you just go. And then you stall. Out of control. No bother with it. You're not gonna kill me again and try to give me no brain damage. Goodbye. And when you come back for your third test, go to our next test center. Right? I kill you, I try to kill people.